Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News and I'm Joey Stephen, an authorized Canadian immigration practitioner, bringing out this data analysis. Today is the 29th of April 2023. I am coming to you from the Polinsys Studios in Cambridge, Ontario. This video may be of interest to foreign nationals and Canadian temporary residents targeting work permits or employer-driven programs. This data is about NOC code 73300, transport truck drivers for the past 15 years. This class of work permit is issued by the Canadian government if selected by a Canadian employer for a position in Canada. This important data will give you some understanding on the number of people being selected by employers and the work permit processed every year since 2006. In 2006, 486 work permits were issued for this NOC code. In 2007, 650 work permits were issued for this NOC code. Okay, 2008, 568 work permits. 2009, 359 work permits. 2010, 163 work permits. 2011, 375 work permits. 2012, 575 work permits. 2013, 740 work permits. 2014, 431 work permits. 2015, 958 work permits. 2016, 856 work permits. 2017, 158 work permits. 2018, 15 work permits. 2019, 19 work permits. 2020, 9 work permits. Okay, it's the year of the COVID, very less number. The average for the 15 years was around 426 work permits issued every year. Okay, and the trajectory would have been much higher if 2020 was not the year of the pandemic. This general data analysis video is brought to you by IRC News. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian job opportunities, data analysis and immigration news. If you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are now posted on your screen, polinsys.com/p. Your Canadian authorized representative also conducts a free weekly Q&A session every week on Fridays. For time and Zoom meeting credentials, please visit this website, or which you can see on your screen, myar.me. Please follow guidance from the Canadian government about who can charge fees for Canadian immigration services. The redirect link which you can see on your screen now, polinsys.co/rep, will lead you there. If you want to obtain a free multiple approaches Canadian PR evaluation directly from a Canadian authorized representative, then myar.me/evaluationxx can assist you. Also, feel free to visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. From all of us at IRC News, and especially from your Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. If you like this news, please like this video. And if you want to receive notifications about more Canadian job positions, then please subscribe to this channel.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side.